There's a drain here. I'll get straight into this, then I'll show you a little bit. How you lived. To ask of how you die is to ask of how you lived. No longer must you take, the time is now to give. The reasons that you had, the stuff along the way, the hours that you traded, your life for weekly pay. Directions there were many, with meaning there was few. The things, the pay that brought you, trading time to have what's new. Not knowing when your time for that which you account, you ask the biggest question, how I lived, to what amount? The measure that you use, the feeling you possess. In value, now you answer, in volume, second best. The crossroads, there were many, tossing coins this way or that. Heads or tails, a course is chosen, a new life strapped on your back. Of things once owned, surrendered, in exchange you now must know, a life of freedom chosen. The right choice is now on show. To you it only matters, to others think no more. Advice that others give you now belongs behind closed door. No longer do you ask or think of what might be. No need for all this woke shit. I know it's not for me. The things you own that own you, in jail now you know. Possessions become the jailer, now learn to just let go. From beginning to the end, and how you lived your life. A rhythm that you dance to, full of peace and free of strife. Now you know the tune, the beat upon the drum. No need to walk with others, or know from where they come. The flag that you have tied, the rig raised high on mast. A good life now you live, a life long may it last. The final day that comes, a good death can give from life. Receive and lay in peace from the good life that you lived. I've tied this to a tree. To a tree it is tied. Now I've got to get it undone here. There we go. Right. Well, here we go. East. West. There's a man going down the road. I don't know where he's going. So there you go, there's crossroads. Toss a coin. See where it takes you. I'm trying to get out of the wind here. This is the third time I've tried this because of wind noise. And You guys know I can't, I don't know how to edit yet, so I think it's time to learn how. Join a few of these together. But look, the title of that was A Good Life. How to have a good death is to have a good life, and long may it last, the life you have. And last year I sold my house, I gave everything away, I donated my art collection for a fundraiser, I owned nothing, sold my car, and I got 12 kg strapped on my back. That's my house, that's everything I own. That's it. And I had no debt. I had the house and car, as I say, and everything in it, and you know, I wasn't happy, I wasn't unhappy, but I wasn't content, and that's the point. So how you lived your life? Well, I did all that, got rid of it all, and even bailed from the country, and now I consider I have a good life the way I'm living here. I have complete freedom of choice to live on my own terms, my way. If something doesn't suit, I don't try and change it, I change where I am. I don't go against what's happening anymore. I just do what's good for me. So this is how I choose to live. Let me give you another view. These are chili fields here. You may be able to see the chilies. The lady here, she's watering the chilies. Yeah, I'll show you a chili. I've got to duck down behind some bush here to get out of the wind, so I hope this is working. Otherwise I'll have to do it for a fourth time. But yeah, there you go. It's not what you own, it's often what you own ends up owning you. It did me. This is only my story. And I only speak from my own examples. And I enjoy the fact that I can speak about it now and recognise within myself where I was going in my journey, and I changed direction. I decided I was at that crossroad, and I tossed a coin. I made a couple of decisions first, and I tossed a coin actually where to go. Boom. And I've just left it up to the journey to unfold, and that's what I speak about, and I enjoy doing that. I just talk from experience, that's all. And the greatest thing about experience is not the ones I've had so much anymore, it's the ones that I don't even know I'm going to have, and that's what makes it fun, is the unknown. And that's what I look forward to. You know, like life is how you lived, and this morning I'm tired, I get up, it's 9 o'clock, and I'm buggered. And I think, well, I want to come out and make this vid. And so the process, take a shower, have a cafe, and get off my ass and get on the bike. There's the bike. And come and do this really made me feel alive, just making that little effort with no greater reason or purpose than just doing that. And what I do in an hour's time, new purpose then.
Hello.
Xin chào. So there you go, crossroads in life. We all come to them. It's which road you decide to take is the life you'll end up living.